Welcome back to CarWow 787, the home of the world's most exciting car reviews, where power, design, and innovation collide. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, because today, we're diving into one of the most thrilling rebirths in American muscle car history, the all-new Chevrolet Impala SS 4272026. This car is not just a return, it's a statement. A statement that American muscle isn't dead, it's evolved. The Impala SS 427 has always been a legend, born from the golden age of raw V8 power, tire-burning torque, and aggressive street presence. But the 2026 version brings all that nostalgia wrapped in futuristic technology, modern comfort, and a design that will make your jaw drop. When you first see it, you immediately recognize its roots: the long hood, low stance, wide rear haunches, but with sharper lines, LED signature lighting, and aerodynamic sculpting that screams modern performance. It's the perfect fusion of retro muscle and next-generation style. Under the hood, things get truly exciting. Chevrolet brings back the iconic 427 cubic inch V8 heritage, but this time, it's re-engineered for the modern era. The 2026 Impala SS 427 houses a 6.8-liter twin-turbocharged V8, delivering a mind-blowing 720 horsepower and 710 lb-ft of torque. That's pure insanity for a luxury performance sedan. Paired with a 10-speed dual-clutch transmission and rear-wheel drive, or optional all-wheel drive for those who want maximum grip, this beast can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. And yes, it still roars like a true muscle car. Chevrolet engineered an active exhaust system that can switch from a quiet growl in comfort mode to a spine-tingling thunder in Sport Plus. You can feel the car breathe when you hit the throttle. It's not artificial, it's mechanical music. The 427 badge doesn't just stand for displacement anymore, it stands for dominance. The Impala SS 427 isn't just about straight-line speed. Chevrolet has redefined how this car handles. The Magnetic Ride Control 5.0 system adapts to the road every millisecond, giving you razor-sharp precision in corners without compromising on comfort. The chassis is built using lightweight aluminum and carbon-reinforced panels, improving rigidity while keeping the car's weight surprisingly balanced. Add in massive Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, and you get confidence-inspiring control no matter how fast you're going. Let's talk interior. Inside, the Impala SS 4272026 feels like a luxury spaceship designed for drivers who love speed. The cabin greets you with a driver-focused cockpit, featuring carbon fiber accents, Alcantara seats, and digital displays that wrap around the driver. The 15-inch curved infotainment screen merges seamlessly into a 12-inch digital cluster, powered by Chevrolet's latest MyLink OS with AI integration. The system responds to voice commands naturally and controls everything, from navigation to ambient lighting to performance settings. Speaking of lighting, the interior ambient setup adjusts automatically based on drive mode: a cool blue glow in comfort, fiery red in Sport Plus, and pure white elegance in Tour mode. You can even customize it via the Performance Aura option, which matches the car's lighting to your throttle input. Imagine the glow intensifying as you accelerate. That's futuristic muscle. The seats are sculpted for both luxury and performance. They come with multi-zone cooling, heating, and massage functions, wrapped in premium Nappa leather. Chevrolet didn't forget the passengers either. The rear cabin offers generous legroom, wireless charging pads, and a 20-speaker Bose performance surround system that turns the entire car into a rolling concert hall. Now let's talk about design details. The exterior is where heritage truly meets innovation. The front grille is bold but refined, featuring black chrome accents and hidden active vents for cooling and aerodynamics. The LED headlights are razor-thin, giving it a mean, focused expression that's unmistakably SS. Around the back, you'll find the quad titanium exhausts integrated neatly into a diffuser, and a subtle yet powerful ducktail spoiler that enhances downforce without ruining the car's sleek silhouette. The classic SS badge glows red under the taillight, a small but iconic touch that pays tribute to the original Impala SS. Chevrolet offers multiple exterior finishes, but the Midnight Steel Metallic and Inferno Red Pearl shades are absolute showstoppers. With the available Blackout Performance package, you get black badges, darkened exhaust tips, and carbon side skirts that take the aggression to another level. The 2026 Impala SS 427 also brings cutting-edge tech features. It includes Chevrolet's Super Cruise 3.0, a semi-autonomous driving system capable of hands-free highway cruising. The car constantly monitors driver attention while maintaining lane, speed, and distance automatically. There's also a 360 degrees performance camera system that records your drives, tracks G-forces, and even uploads highlight reels directly to your phone or social media, perfect for enthusiasts who love sharing their runs. On the safety side, you've got adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, lane keep assist, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and even a new driver focus monitor that detects fatigue and recommends brakes. It's safe to say this Impala isn't just fast, it's intelligent. Fuel economy isn't forgotten either. The hybrid twin-turbo setup allows cylinder deactivation and mild hybrid assistance, delivering around 28 mpg highway, which is incredible for a 700-plus horsepower machine. It even features a stealth electric mode, allowing you to glide silently for short distances in the city. The moment you start it up, you realize, this isn't just a car. It's an experience. The Impala SS 42722026 captures what muscle cars were meant to be: pure emotion, raw energy, and a driver's dream. It's a salute to the past but aimed squarely at the future. So, who is this car for? It's for those who crave the sound of a roaring V8 but demand 21st century sophistication. It's for enthusiasts who grew up admiring the Impala legacy and now want to live it again, with more power, comfort, and tech than ever before. It's a car that can cruise down a boulevard with elegance and hit the racetrack with ferocity, all in the same day. Chevrolet has managed to do something rare: revive an icon without losing its soul. The 2026 Impala SS 427 is the definition of modern American muscle: powerful, intelligent, and beautifully intimidating. If you're watching this and thinking, "I want one," you're not alone. Car enthusiasts everywhere are calling it the comeback of the decade. And that brings us to the end of today's review. If you love this deep dive into the Chevrolet Impala SS 427 New 2026, make sure you hit that like button, share this video with your car-loving friends, and subscribe to CarWow 787 for more exclusive reviews of the world's most powerful and stylish machines.